Here we are in Bellmore today. This is the door, 8x7, non-insulated. Customer just want to change the door to insulated door. We just brought the door with us. This is how the door looks from the outside. We're gonna take it apart and we're gonna install it for him. Here we are in Bellmore, just putting together the 8x7 door. We took the old door out. Here's the old one. There's the new one. We almost finished with the door. Here we are again. We just finished with the installing the door for the customer. 8x7 insulated door with a lock. Garage Door Pro, Long Island. 917-436-0006. Thank you.